Today is the 15th. कैसा रहा the first meeting with our manufacturer?
It was good. I'm hoping to make 5.5 CR of turnover in the first year.
Yoo-hoo! It feels a little weird wearing a sari and shooting like a sit-down video. I've never done that on my channel, but hi guys, what's up? This is Forum and welcome back to my channel. Well, for those of you who don't know me, I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, travel and a lot more things. And in today's video, I am here to make an announcement. If you're from Instagram, you already know about this, but since we're talking on YouTube, guys, I have launched my very own little brand, and the brand is called Tate Blends. I posted on Instagram asking you all, if you have any questions about Tate Blends, ask me and I'll answer them. I'm going to be answering all these things about Tate Blends and how it came into picture and what is it about and everything. So stay tuned for that. And in the end, there is a giveaway, so make sure you watch the video till the end. Okay. So talking about Tate Blends, Tate Blends is basically a candle brand as of now. I mean, Sagar and I have launched this brand together, and this is something I don't think काफ़ी लोगों ने मेरे से expect किया था about candles, but obviously I don't share like entire like I don't share a lot of my life on social media, and which is why I don't think anybody saw this coming from me. So everyone was a little taken aback with this ki, how are you into candles, and since when did you started liking candles so much? But the fact is, I mean, there are a lot of people to thank for this. Few months back in Jan, I was in a very weird place mentally, and I was not in a great state, to be honest, and I was taking these therapy sessions, and I could not sleep well, and all those stuff, like there was a lot going on, and I would maybe share all of these one day once I feel like I am ready to share. But for now, I would just say ki I was not in a great place mentally and I could not sleep well. So this is when my therapist suggested me ki, start lighting candles and try sleeping with a candle on, because I have this fear of darkness and I cannot sleep alone as well. So I know there's a lot of things. So I decided, okay, fine, I can maybe light a candle and see. And she also mentioned how the candles usually have this sedative power and they put you to sleep. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try that. And I started trying that, and within a few days I could actually sleep better. And honestly, I loved burning candles at night. I mean, that little light at that one corner of the room when the entire room is dark and it's moving, the light is moving, the flame is moving, it was just so calming, and it just gave me like instant relief, like instant calm. I used to forget about all my worries, and I just love this, and I used to really look forward to sleeping ever since then. Like otherwise I was really scared ki okay, abhi raat aa jayega and then I'm gonna fall into the trouble of falling asleep. But then after this period, I started like loving my nighttime routine, and I just like was looking forward to sleeping. So this is one person I would thank for behind this brand. There's another reason, which is why I started with the affirmation candles. Now if you go on my page, you would see I have started with first 5 affirmations, which is I am strong, I am blessed, I am loved, I am grateful, and I am confident. So affirmations are basically statements. You say them to yourself, and you say them usually in present tense. I mean, someone who's known how affirmations work, you would know कि affirmations कैसे किया जाता है. And these affirmations, they just make you feel really better about yourself, and they help you create your dream faster into reality. Like you can look up to affirmations, what affirmations are, if you are someone new, and you would know what they are. And this is where the second credit goes to, which is my yoga sir. So I was also doing a lot of yoga sessions during this time because I wanted to like be better. And I spoke to him one day and I told him, I still have this trouble with anxiety and sleep and all these things. And he told me, okay, you know what, you should start doing certain things at night. And I used to already journal and everything, I still do those, but he told me start listening to affirmations at night and do that for 21 days straight, and then talk to me, tell me how you feel now. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna do that, because at that point, I mean, anyone with a certain amount of experience of what I was going through was able to understand me. I mean, that itself was a huge part, played in the betterment of my life. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna try this as well, and I did. And honestly, I'm in a very good position right now. Like, launching this brand has been great. So, I mean, I have become so much better. Like, this is April now, and we're talking about Jan. Like, if you ask anyone from, in Jan, anyone like from my family or my friends, anyone, they're like, what has happened to her? I mean, is she like well or not? And they knew I was not well. Like, looking at me, one could tell that no, she's not doing well. So, yeah, this is where, like, I have to thank two most favorite people of my life. Because of them, I'm able to launch Tate Blends. Now, talking about why the brand name Tate Blends, I mean, a lot of you asked me, why Tate, what does it mean, or where does it come from? So we're going to talk about that now. A month ago, when Sagar and I were discussing, what is the brand name that we should come up with, Sagar was like, you should, start with something with your name, because, you already have like a brand name. And I was like, no, I don't want something with that, like my name. I want something which would mean something to both of us. And that's when one day we were just like maybe on the bike coming from somewhere, I guess, and I asked him, what do you think about this word called Tate? He's like, he went like this, like, okay, what does it mean? He asked me. So then that's when I told him I took 2 syllables of Taz, which was his dog, and I took 2 syllables of my dad, his name like is Amit, and we combined those two, like the last 2 syllables of my dad and the first 2 syllables of Taz, and we combined those, which makes Tate Blends. And we just wanted it to mean something like a lot. I mean, I don't know how to express that in words, but yeah, it was just to launch. I mean, it was not just for the sake of launching something, but if you're gonna work on something that 2 of us are involved in, I wanted it wanted it to be in the memory of something. And we lost both of them last year in 2020. So this is just in honor to, like, just to honor both of them. And yeah, I'm sure like they'll be like really proud once this brand grows really, really big. And you know what, we can work our heart out, because we know it, how much it means to both of us. So yeah, I mean, that's where Tate comes in. So yeah, Tate Blends is what the name is and what it means. Also, I think in the Russian language somewhere, maybe the meaning is also cheerfulness, which also like resonates with our brand. So yeah, that's there. Talking about fragrances, a lot of you wanted to know about fragrances. My initial focus was to keep it, about affirmations more, but then I realized not a lot of people are into affirmations. At least in India, I don't think a lot of people get that part. People are majorly into scents because they want something to keep for their home decor, something like, they want it to smell good. It's not always about affirmations. So I'm saying I did not disclose the scents earlier, and I was just telling the sense to the people who were inquiring, because I really wanted people to focus more on affirmations. But I realized within a week's time that no, scent matters quite a lot. So I'm just like telling it out right now that we have lavender, we have Yang Lang, I guess that's how it's pronounced. We have rose, we have coffee, which has like caramelish coffee, and we also have lemongrass. Yeah, lemongrass is like my favorite, and I don't know, not a lot of people like lemongrass, but I love it and I really wanted to include it. And yeah, we are also going to come up with more and more scents. It's just something that I want to see what do people love the most, and as and when I take feedbacks and I experiment more, I'll know what people will like more, and that's where I can put my focus on. Someone asked me, why don't you have a website of your own? We are working on it. I'm like legit thinking about it. If we have like upcoming collection, you know, every 2 weeks or every month, we can start a website, because that would have more products. Right now we just have 5 products, which is where we like keep, you know, 5 products ke liye website ka cost and everything, it goes quite a bit. So that's why we thought we will do website. But we are gonna work on the website, and we are gonna do it like in maybe a month or 2. So yeah, wait for that. This is I am confident, I am strong, I am blessed, I am love. Oh man, it smells divine, okay? And I'm grateful. I'm grateful is the highest selling right now. This is how the product looks like. You've got a closer version of the product, but let me tell you, all these candles are hand poured, and they are made from 100% soy wax. They are vegan, and you know, they do not contain any harmful chemicals. It's legit made in our home. It's made at my sister's place. My sister makes them all by herself, and it's all hand poured. Trust me, I mean, I don't use anything from the like outside. I don't like do any of those sort, and I really wanted this to stay in the family as well, so it's more like a family business, as I would love to say. I mean, this is how the candle looks. This is the texture. If you have more queries about the wax or the fragrance that we use, let me know in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer them, and I'd love for you to try them out. They are currently priced at 350 rupees per jar. They're like 190 ml, and you know, it would last you like 50 hours or plus. I use them on an everyday basis. Legit, I'm not even kidding. I use it like all the time. I'm gonna leave the link here, handle here on my screen as well, and in the description, so you can, if you want to like make a purchase, you can. They are also great for gifting, and also, just like if you really are someone who is into candles or would want to try getting into candles, please buy from me. I mean, this is this is how I would like want to sell my products. It's the first time I have come into the selling based industry. I have always been into the service industry, like wherein I provide my services and I get paid for it, but I don't know much about product selling business. I know it's a lot more tougher than the service industry, and I am all in for that. I am gonna launch a lot more things in the future, and starting with this candles, these tiny candles. They're not really tiny, they're quite big actually, but yeah, they are my babies here. And trust me, they smell really divine. Like, just order one for yourself and see. मैं foolishly बार बोल रही हूँ कि order करो, but yeah, please order. Like, okay, so I think we've pretty much covered all the questions. Someone's asking, is it for men? It's practically for anyone. If you just love candles, just buy them and see. And I think that is about it for this video. I just wanted to put it out there that I have my own brand now, and I am really happy. Like, something that I and Sagar basically share. So yeah, he does not want to come in the video because he's just clean shaved himself. That's the reason. But anyway, thanks for sticking by for so long, and thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for supporting me throughout. And yeah, I guess that is about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also, I want to mention how beautiful this sari is. Guys, do you see, like, this sari has been gifted to me by my nani when she recently discovered my obsession for saris. Like, I just picked out random saris from random stores, and she was like, wait, I'm gonna give you some of my saris. So she gave me this one, and she's like, I've never worn it. I'm like, yeah, I wanted her to wear it, and then, you know, I wanted her to give that to me, but she gave me her fresh new sari, which I'm really happy about, and I'm like legit wearing it. I have worn it 2-3 times already. I mean, मैं घर पे ही पहन के घूमती हूँ because I just love wearing saris. And also about the jewelry, like, look at this necklace. It's from Dream Accessories. Yeah, it's from Dream Accessories, and also these like rings are from there. And I've got all these just like new stuff, so I thought I'll wear them in today's video. And yeah, I look like nice, no? Pretty nice. Anyway, yeah, you guys take care, stay safe, and stay home. Yeah, take care. Bye. Okay. So the rules to enter in the giveaway is you have to make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. You have to follow the page, like the Instagram page of Tate Blends, and you have to comment below which candle would you like to win. And I'll be selecting 5 winners soon. I'm hoping if I reach 7k subscribers, that's when I can announce the winners, or probably next week, whichever is sooner. So yeah, let's participate, and yeah, share this video with all your friends and make them participate too. Love you.